Remember this. Now, we'll tell you some home natural remedies. Your health is in your hands. You can keep your body whichever way you want. For the problem of hair, we told you the method of nail rubbing. Now, after this, if you wish to apply oil, then which one to apply? Here in India, from ages, coconut oil, mustard oil has been applied on hair. The best oil to be applied is mustard oil. Coconut oil comes after that. Also, mustard oil is cheap. The best edible oil. All over Bengal and mostly the North India, only mustard oil is used. It is harmless. But some multinational companies put the fear of trust in the minds of the people, and by creating hatred against it among the people, they have affected its market. They have done this dirty work. Mustard oil is the best for consumption, for application on hair, and also for body massage. If you wish to massage your body, apply oil in the hair. For cooking, for tempering, mustard oil is the best. Many try to destroy the tradition of our country, nation's culture, nation's civilization. Nowadays, so many products of cosmetics are manufactured, which are useless, meaningless, and which are of no use to your body. You do Kapalabhati Pranayam. If lips crack, then put mustard oil in the navel. Applying mustard oil in the hair is the best. If not mustard oil, apply coconut oil in the hair. And if someone wants to make special oil at home, then take either mustard oil 100 grams or sesame oil. Sesame oil or mustard oil. The oils prepared in Ayurveda are also made with sesame oil. So take 100 grams either sesame oil or mustard oil. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds in it. And if possible, then add 100 grams extract of gudhal leaves in 100 grams mustard oil. Crush it, add water in it, crush gudhal leaves. Extract the juice and add. And in rainy season, there are plenty of Bhringraj. Ask any gardener. Green Bhringraj, crush it and add 100 grams extract. If green is unavailable, then get from the grocers. Bhringraj. Get 100 grams dry Bhringraj. Triphala 100 grams. Harade, Bahida, Avla, Triphala 100 grams. Harade, Bahida, Avla, Triphala 100 grams. And in that, you add this Bhringraj. And if possible, then some more herbs like shikakai, that too you add in this. Also put some henna leaves, then you boil it. 100 grams each of these, whichever you can obtain, add in the oil. And what should you do? Take 100 grams each of these. 100 grams avla, 100 grams bahida, 100 grams avla, 100 grams bahida, 100 grams harad, 100 grams Bhringraj. Add 100 grams shikakai in it. If possible, add Brahmi and Shanka Pushpi, 100 grams each in it. You'll get them from the grocers. Take 100 grams each of all these and boil them in 2 liters of water. And after boiling, when 2 liters of this water remains only 200 ml, then strain it thoroughly from a cloth. And the oil that you had kept, either mustard or sesame, add 100 grams of either mustard or sesame oil in it and cook it on a slow fire. Add 200 grams oil in it. 100 grams will remain. Add 200 grams oil and cook it and apply that oil on hair. Your hair will become black and thick. All your hair problems will be over. We'll tell you one more method for those whose hair fall. It's a home remedy. Ingredients are not easily available. What one calls bhirad, a kind of wasp, reddish, yellow-colored bee, bring its hive. Bhirad, a wasp, bring its hive. Anywhere in a lonely spot in the house, over there you'll find this beehive. Use it when the bee has flown away. In old houses and in farms they are found in sugarcane, etc. In such farms they are found in plenty. Get about this much hive of beehive or wasp. Cook it in 100 grams of coconut oil. 1 hive of beehive or wasp, 100 grams of coconut oil, and boil it. After boiling that hive, it will become black. That coconut oil you apply on your hair. Hair may stop falling and new hair may grow. Within 3 to 7 days, the hair may stop falling. It is such an amazing method. I'm telling you many methods, whichever is suitable, you try that. So this was all about hair oil. Remember, the oil that you apply on your hair, the essence in it makes your hair grey and creates allergic problems. That's why we also make Divya Kesh Tel in our ashrama. We never put any essence in it. Why don't we put any essence in it? Because if we add essence in it, then if the hair is not grey, then they will become grey. All the oil that have essence in it, all of them makes your hair grey. Therefore, those scented oils you should not apply on your hair. And nowadays there is a new fashion. The oil is applied and it doesn't look as the oil is applied. There is no need for that, my friend. If you feel shy, feel embarrassed, there are rules in the office. If you cannot go to office with oily hair which looks shiny, then apply at night and go to bed. Wash it off in the morning. This is the best way. Apply at night, wash in the morning. After that, go without applying oil. Go to office without applying oil. What is the need to apply oil? One more thing about the problem of hair. By doing Sarvangasana, Halasana, all problem of hair will be solved. Do Sarvangasana or Halasana from 2 to 5 minutes. But during period, women should not do it. And pregnant women are not supposed to do it. Those with heart, high BP problem, backache, cervical spondylitis pain, they too cannot do it. So do Kapalabhati, Anulom Vilom. These two pranayams, there will be no hair problem. Then, if there is dandruff, then what to do? Dandruff also causes hair fall. Special treatment for dandruff. Those with dandruff problem, what they can do? 1 spoon coconut oil. 1 spoon coconut oil. And in that 1 spoon kheel of suhage. Suhage boric. Kheel of suhage, 1 spoon. Coconut oil, 1 spoon. Extract of neem leaves, 1 spoon. Add curds 2 to 3 spoons in it depending upon the hair thickness. Curds 2 to 3 spoons. Coconut oil. Kheel of suhage. Extract of neem leaves 1 spoon. Mix all of them in a vessel and apply that in your hair. With the help of fingers, massage your scalp in the hair roots. After massaging, leave for half an hour. After half an hour, wash your head with any indigenous shampoo. All these multinational companies, they have come to destroy national wealth. If they come here with science and technology, then even I will advertise for them. But by selling products of zero technology and looting millions and billions of rupees by selling things of zero technology, they have looted and are still looting. About 4,500 companies are busy looting this country. How will this country survive? The country's glory, country's wealth, wealth of the nation, to utilize energy of the youth, the use of country's talent should be used in the nation's development. To send our nation's wealth outside is not being loyal to the nation. This is being a traitor against the nation. With the home remedy that we told you. Then, after dandruff, another problem of face. Wrinkles form on the face, dark circles form under the eyes. There are pimples, there is acne. What to do? Eat 4 to 5 leaves of neem in the morning. There will be no acne or pimples. Soak 1 spoon of Triphala in water at night in the morning without boiling and shake it and blend it thoroughly. And drink after straining. Triphala by soaking at night and drinking its water in the morning. There will be no constipation. Stomach disorders will also become alright. Pimples too will vanish. Triphala. Soak 1 spoon of it and drink its water in the morning, and it will be beneficial for dark circles under the eyes. And it also helps in the eye problems. And it is also beneficial in overweight. Particularly the pimples will disappear. Those with pimples, they can try this. They can also eat neem leaves. And if the pimple problem is very acute, then Kaya Kalpati 2 tablets can be taken morning, evening on empty stomach. It is beneficial when the pimple problem is acute. There are some more medicines in Ayurveda. Mahamanjishta Arishta and Khadira Arishta. Either of these can be taken. Khadira Arishta and Mahamanjishta Arishta. Either of these, 4 spoons of medicine, 4 spoons of water, afternoon, evening, after food if taken, then pimples, acne pimples become alright. In India, from millions of years, these 2 medicines are being made in Ayurveda. Renowned Ayurvedic companies are all making it. So, This I told you about pimples. After boiling Triphala or soak it at night, drink in the morning without boiling it. If you boil it, then drink only after cooling. Remember this. Otherwise, soak it and drink. It's available everywhere. There is no need to boil. Apart from pimples, many develop moles. Unnecessary moles. A couple of moles are good for identification. And moles at some places are considered as good luck. But if there are many moles all over the body, there are many moles, then what to do? For that, you'll have to take help from Ayurveda. Although without Ayurveda, by doing Kapalabhati, Anulom Vilom 15 minutes each also eliminates moles from the body. Warts are eliminated. Many women, especially middle-aged women, many of them on the face, warts develop on the face, and here on both sides of the neck warts appear. And here behind, on the back also warts develop. Then what to do? Behind the neck, for warts and for mole, warts 100%. From 2 to 3 months, in some cases within a month, and in some cases even within a week, I have seen warts falling off. Warts fall off. And corns which appear on the feet, we call it gokhru. Some call it atan, some gokhru. In English it is called corn. Corns of feet and these warts, do Kapalabhati Anulom Vilom 15 minutes each. If corn problem is acute, then do Kapalabhati Anulom Vilom for 20 minutes each. Corns will disappear. Cysts are eliminated of the body. Cysts of the uterus, ovary, wherever it is developed, it is eliminated. Warts are nothing. So from 10 days to 2 to 3 months, your warts will be eliminated. Extra moles will be eliminated. Whatever skin problem, leukoderma, psoriasis, scleroderma too is being cured. Leave alone the rest. Total skin problem, if it is itching, ringworms problem, these two will become alright by doing Kapalabhati Anulom Vilom. You may eat 5 to 7 leaves of neem in the morning. Even then, if the problem is acute, then take Kaishor Guggal, 1 tablet each after food. Kaishor Guggal. Even then, if the skin problem is too severe, then along with this, Panchatikta Ghrit Guggal tablet also can be given. Panchatikta Ghrit Guggal, 1 tablet twice. And Kaishor Guggal is available everywhere. Even in Ayurveda, very few people make Panchatikta Ghrit Guggal. Kaishor Guggal, 1 tablet each after food with water. And Kaya Kalpavati for small girls, those who are below 10 years or around 10 years, then 1 tablet each. And about 10 years, 2 tablets morning, evening. Those girls who are about 12 to 15 years, they can be given 2 tablets morning, evening on empty stomach for pimples and also for moles. Then one develops wrinkles on the face, and because of pimples, your cheeks look out of shape. Then what to do? Make a paste of turmeric and sandalwood and apply. By applying turmeric and sandalwood paste, your face will start glowing. Face gets that natural color. So apply a paste of turmeric and sandalwood, or apply a paste of their powder and go to sleep. This is the best. Aloe vera, Ghrit Kumari, Gwar Patha. This is also very good for women during period problems. Those with leukoderma, leukorrhea, Rakta Pradar, Shweta Pradar. And for leukoderma, we give many other medicines, Bauchi, Kayakalp, etc. And Ghrit Kumari improves liver, therefore it helps in that also. But particularly, those women who suffer from leukorrhea and those who have lot of bleeding problem, Rakta Pradar, Shweta Pradar, drinking aloe vera is very beneficial. And for face problem, by applying it on the face, also helps a lot. Whichever problems of wrinkles, dark circles under the eyes, and for many other problems, often advertisers take the help of aloe vera, take the help of tulsi, take the help of sandalwood. Now the paste of sandalwood and turmeric that you apply, in that you can add 2-3 leaves of tulsi in that paste and apply on the face at night. This will be beneficial for the problems of face. Take the extract of aloe vera in your hand and apply it on the face like this. Make a paste of turmeric and sandalwood in aloe vera extract only. You can take aloe vera's fresh leaves and then keep those fresh leaves for a little while. Its juice will come out on its own. Apply that on your face. This, we have told you, a home remedy for wrinkles on the face. However, if one gets burned, then by applying aloe vera, the mark also disappears. And one thing more I would like to tell you particularly. Many girls and women have come and told us that they had a cyst on the neck or a black mark on the body. Doctors had told them for plastic surgery. They did pranayama and became alright. Burn mark also in many cases vanished. The burn mark. Amazing benefits. Your skin color becomes normal. The straightforward solution is, for that you'll have to do Kapalabhati for 15 minutes and Anulom Vilom for 15 minutes. These two pranayams you'll have to do regularly. Stop eating fried things. Drink water after waking up in the morning. Eat more green vegetables and just abstain. And 15-20 minutes, for 15-20 minutes do Kapalabhati, Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Total skin problem is solved. This was for your facial problem. Now the problem of teeth. If women suffer from bad breath, then it becomes a huge problem. For that, the medicine that we recommend for pyorrhea, you may take it. 100 grams turmeric, 100 grams rock salt, 100 grams turmeric, 100 grams rock salt, 100 grams triphala powder, 100 grams ash of alum roasted on a grid, 100 grams neem leaves, 100 grams bark of babool. Take 100 grams of each. Turmeric, rock salt are found in every household. In any case, triphala is also easily available these days. You'll have to make ash of alum, put it on hot grid, it will swell and become roundish. 100 grams neem leaves and 100 grams bark of babool. And also add 20 grams clove in it. And brush your teeth with it. Do Kapalabhati, Anulom Vilom, both pranayams. Dental problem may be eliminated. There will be no more bad breath. And your teeth will become clean and white. Mouth problem may also be over. If lip crack, then put some mustard oil in the navel. Cracking of lips may become alright. Then, many girls have small breasts. So if the breasts are small, then what to do to increase the size of breasts? For that you do Abhyantar Pranayam, Ushtrasana, Ardha Chandrasana. Ushtrasana, Ardha Chandrasana, Abhyantar Pranayam. You will hold the breath in. This we will show you later practically how to do. So the development of breasts will normalize. Your chest will become broader. And if in some cases, after delivery, if there is less milk in the breast, then by taking Shatavar powder, the milk in breast will attain sufficiency. And for those whose body is very slim, some are fat. For fat people, we will advise Kapalabhati and 3 practices of weight reduction. But some individuals are very thin. Then what to do? First of all, do pranayams. 7 pranayams, 7 light exercises and 7 asanas. By doing this much, the whole body's development becomes balanced. But particularly, those whose body is very thin, who are extremely thin, as though they don't eat at all. What should these girls do? Take Shatavar and Ashwagandha powder, each 100 grams. 100 grams Shatavar powder, 100 grams Ashwagandha powder. Mix both of them, and after mixing, take 1 spoon each morning, evening, 2 to 3 grams. And those who can digest it, then take 2 to 5 grams powder in the morning, 2 to 5 grams in the evening with milk. Girls drink very little milk, that's why their bones are weak. Later on, they suffer from the problem of osteoporosis, problem of arthritis, joints start aching. Therefore, you must drink milk. Mothers should make their daughters drink milk. It's very essential. So, this is one problem for those who are very thin. Shatavar, Ashwagandha powder, boys can also take, girls too should take it. This will prevent shortage of fat in your body. That is, your weight will be balanced, your fat, your weight, less height, poor eyesight. This too is a problem. Now for the problem of eyesight, take 1 spoon Amla powder every day in the morning. Make it a habit. Everyone can take it. Whole country can take it. And this is antitoxin. It's antioxidant. Amla powder is very good for the stomach. Amla powder prevents any kind of indigestion in your body. And by taking Amla powder, there will be no problem of increase in cholesterol or fat, etc. Consumption of Amla powder always keeps your eyes healthy. Amla powder is the best. Everyone should take it in the morning, 5 grams. Take 3 to 5 grams powder every day. There will never be any eye problem. Then there are points for the eyes. Particularly for girls and women. Those who have eye problems, girls who wear glasses, they press this point. And if the problem is acute, then we recommend Sarvangasana and also do Halasana. For increasing the height, Sarvangasana, Halasana, Chakrasana, Paschimottanasana, Tadasana. Do these asanas. This practice especially for eyes. Those who have eye problem, they should press this point. This particular point for eyes. In both hands and both feet. Especially for girls and women. Among women, in some cases when they are young and in some when they are grown up, they suffer from thyroid, so they should press this point. Then if there is any period problem of menstruation,